Santana, Bulacan. It was revealed by one of the arrested suspects, si Muhammad Muawas.
He was presented yesterday.
Presented yesterday. Meron pa tayong isang person of interest na pang-apat. Kasi sa originally sabi namin 5, di ba? 5 yung member ng grupo na yun. 55 members. Yung isa ngayon, nasa custody na namin, yung pang-apat, but still undergoing investigation. And ito is safe na through render safe procedures using water cannon disruptor. Kaya nga nagkahiwa-hiwala yung ibang components of the IED dahil nga dinisrupt na. Kahiwalay na sila. It is a 105 mm projectile. Alam niyo yung 105, yung howitzer, canyon? Yung canyon artillery. This is an artillery round, not only a mortar round. Artillery round. Yung howitzer, kita niyo yung canyon na may gulong? Na nakaganon? 105 howitzer. Yung components nga ng IED nito is 105 mm projectile, yung ulo. Mas mahaba pa siya kung kasama yung cartridge, yung shell, na nilalagyan ng mga pulbura. Charges, tawag nyo charges. Electric blasting cap with naked wire. Pure plug of 105, fuse plug of 105 projectile, charge of supplementary TNT, Eveready 9 volts battery, improvised PC board using SIM card holder, Baofeng dual band transceiver model. Ito, radio. Radio. And tape, packaging tape. Malakas ito. Around 75 mm yung kanyang radios. Assault radios.